Hello everyone, welcome to Shri Rama Bharati Public School online platform. Today we are starting new chapter number 11, Introduction to HTML5. HTML. What is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML full form is Hypertext Markup Language. Why we use this language? This language is basically used to design web pages. Used to design web pages. Now point is, what is web pages? When you open any web browser, for example, Internet Explorer, Mozilla, Google Chrome, if you open any web browser, then you can open any website. For example, I have written www.srbps.com, our school website. I have written on the address bar. So when you just click on it or when you open your website, then you have seen web page will open, home page will open. That is not called page. The very first page of any website is home page. And it is our web page, and a website contains a number of web pages. When you open any website, then that website can contain number of web pages. Sometimes you think about that, how it was designed. Is it possible we can design ourselves? Yes, it is possible. How it is possible? By using HTML language. By using HTML language, we can design web page. So we can design web page with the help of HTML language. It was created by Berners-Lee in late 1991. The very first time in 1991, it was developed by the Berners-Lee. That time, what was the intention of the developer? Intention was to make the structure of the document like heading, paragraphs, list. And after that, many things we can develop in our web page. So basically, HTML language is used to design web pages. So it was developed with the intent of defining the structure of the document. Means how our document will look like headings. We can provide the paragraphs, we can provide the list in our web page. The next one is, I have told you the full form of HTML is Hypertext Markup Language. So what is hypertext? What is hypertext? Hypertext means, hypertext is a text which contains the links to the other document or web pages. When you open any website, and when you open your website, web page will open, and that web page contain number of links. When you click on that text, then it will jump to the another document or web page. So hypertext is a text which contain the link to the other document or web pages. So wherever is the link on the text on our web page, that text is called hypertext. So when we will click on the hypertext, then it opens a new page. Now the next one is markup language. HTML is not a programming language. HTML is a markup language. Markup language means it is a computer language that uses tags to define the elements within a document. For example, we are using English or Hindi language to communicate with each other. When we want to talk with anyone, then we use either English or Hindi language. Same like that, for making the web page, we use tags. We use tag because that tag can be understandable by our web browser. So it instructs the browser how to display the text. So these tags will instruct to the browser how to display the text. For example, B tag, and tags are always enclosed in angle bracket, means less than, and after that tag name, and then greater than. So tags are always written in the angle bracket. If I have written angle bracket, then B, then close angle bracket. Open angle bracket, then B, then close angle bracket. B is our tag name. Then browser knows B for the bold, means we want to make our text bold. So all the things we will do with the tag. Whatever we want to design in our web page, that we will tell to the browser with the help of tags. So you can see here. Now I am opening any web browser. You can see here there are some browsers like Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, Internet Explorer. So I can open any web browser. This is my web browser. So I am opening this one. Now web browser will open. This is our address bar. So any website you can write it here. So I am writing here our school website, www.srbps.com. When you open the website, you can see here one page will open. This is our web page, and the very first page of any website is called home page. And now I am talking about hypertext. See, this is not ordinary text or simple text. This is our hypertext. Why it is called hypertext? Because when we click on this text, it is linked with another web page. You can see here. It is linked with another web page. So that text was called hypertext. Sometimes we think about that if we want to design this web page ourselves, can we do it? Yes, we can do it. In the HTML, we can do it. Through the HTML, we can do it. So we can make the program with the help of tag. We can make any type of web page. Clear? So today I have given only the introduction. What is HTML and why we use our HTML language? What is the purpose of it?